Having the having the safety net of life insurance can either that your family can stay in their home and pay for the things that you planned for. There are two primary type of life insurance terms and permanent life. Permanent life insurance such as a whole life insurance or universal life insurance can provide lifetime coverage. While terms of life insurance provides protection for a certain period. What does life insurance cover? Life insurance cover all uses of that with one main expansion. Suicide within the first 2 years, the omen of policy. Apart from that, exclusions life insurance covers that from illness, disease, accidents, and homicides. Regardless of a use of that, a life insurance company could deny a claim if it believes there was a misrepresentation on the life insurance application. Exactly, if they that is within the first couple of years of owning the policy. For example, if someone lies about their health or other information is on the applications, the life insurance company could deny a claim by the beneficial. In other example, this in other extremely narrow cases, a life insurance claims would be a denied if the beneficial killed the insured persons, or if the claims is disputed by someone who said the policyholder was covered into the changed the beneficial best life insurance companies. In the event that you do not require insurance for a beneficiary, a second question must be considered. Many lenders required debtors to own insurance as a condition of issuing debit. Is this a common condition in a mortgage requirements because loans or personal lines of credit? In the event that a debit must be supported by a policy, this case to be an issue of life insurance but is financially a consideration of mortgage insurance. Investments considerations for most of US. One of these beneficially just just contentional will be a present. Therefore, the questions of a benefit, whatever they are, a reason of a purchase this insurance is a part investment strategy, or there the purpose of the insurance is simply that mitigate financial loss in the event of that.